it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about store credit and gift card liability reporting, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Start in System. Notice you have a gift card button and 4 choices: Edit, Close, List, Maintain. The same is true with store credits. Edit, Close, List, and Maintain. So in order to see a report of your gift card liabilities, you're going to click on Gift Card List. And I'm just going to run this as a summary, but you also have an option to run it at a detail level. So I'll click on Summary, Preview, and here's a list of my fully redeemed and my open gift cards. Their original amount and their current value, and at the bottom of the report, you can see my current liability of $198.47. If I want to get a little more granular, I can click on Detail, Preview, and this will show me activity and ticket numbers associated with issuing and redeeming gift cards. Now, this is also true in store credits. If I go to Store Credits, Store Credit List, and again, I'll have the option to run this as a summary or as a detail. I'll start with Summary, Preview, and you can see I have one open store credit and the current liability is $99. If I want a more granular view, I'll click on Detail and Preview. And so now I can see the activity and the ticket numbers associated with issuing and redeeming the store credit. A couple of other features that's true of both gift cards and store credits is Edit Store Credits and Edit Gift Cards. So in Edit Gift Cards or Edit Store Credits, what you can edit is limited. So pretty much you can edit any descriptive values, but not any numeric or money values. You can void a gift card from here. You can view activity of the gift card. Same is true in store credits. If I go to Edit Store Credits, and I'll call up an open store credit, again, what I can edit is limited, but I can void and I can view activity. Now, something that's a little more powerful than Edit Store Credits or Edit Gift Cards is Maintain Store Credits and Maintain Gift Cards. So unlike Edit, in Maintain, you can actually edit any field that you like. In addition, you can void and view activity. Here's another thing you can do in Maintain Gift Cards. Click on the plus sign and invent a gift card without taking money in exchange. Same is true in store credits. If I go to Store Credits and Maintain, and I'll call up a live store credit, I can edit any field I like. I can void the store credit, view activity of the store credit, and if I click on the plus sign, I can invent a store credit without accepting a return in exchange. If you happen to use cards for your gift cards or your store credits, understand that even though a gift card or store credit is fully redeemed, Counterpoint doesn't automatically close out that gift card or store credit. So if you want to reuse gift cards or store credits, you have to close out the cards and the credits, and it's pretty easy. I'm going to start here in gift cards, close gift cards. I can choose to close fully redeemed gift cards prior to this activity date. The same is also true with voided gift cards, expired gift cards, and I can specify a distribution date for my general ledger. This is also true of store credits. Under store credits, close store credits, close fully redeemed before a certain date, voided, expired, and also specify a distribution date for your general ledger. So that's store credit and gift card liabilities. Hope this helps. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com. And on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.